Okay, gi-separate na mo ang video kay taas kayo. Okay, timer. Timer starts now. Okay, gigan sa pinakasugod. Okay, go.
Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Morning, evening?
Morning.
Beach or mountains?
Beach.
Cats or dogs?
Cats.
Sweet or savory?
Savory.
Movies or series?
Series.
Sweet corn or cheese?
Cheese.
Heels or sneakers?
Sneakers.
Fill in the blank. My favorite comfort food is...
My favorite comfort food is bulldog.
If I have a superpower, it will be...
Telekinesis or teleportation.
The best compliment I ever received is...
You're so pretty.
Happiness is...
Skip.
Skip.
Happiness is Yahweh.
All about you. What is your favorite emoji?
Favorite emoji is katong hoo crying emoji.
If you could be animal, what would you be?
Animal, I would be a dog.
What is the first thing you notice about a person?
Their behavior.
What is your go-to karaoke song?
Karaoke song, Novella.
What is the best gift you've ever received?
Best gift I've ever received, bouquet of flowers.
Guilty or not guilty? Talking to yourself.
Guilty.
Staying up way too late being...
Binge watching. Guilty.
Singing in the shower.
Guilty.
Eating straight from the fridge or pantry.
Guilty.
Buying something just because of the packaging.
Guilty.
Who are you playing with? Friends, family, or coworkers?
Family.
How long do you want the game to be?
1 hour.
Is there a specific game you want?
Okay, it's over. The timer is over. Nice. Ano to guys? Fast talk with Boya Bonda pero hinay kay ang question. Sa man ay. Ano yung mga